Good morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. Hope you're all having a blessed Sunday morning. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can get paid to give away free social media courses. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, watch it all the way to the end, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you for saying thank you for watching this video. So let's get into the video. So if you guys are interested in learning how you can get paid to give away free social media courses, pay close attention to this video because I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to let you know what exactly you have to do to be able to do that, okay? So here we go. So this is just some free social media courses that we're going to talk about here. I'm going to talk about these courses here in a minute. So, but before we get into that, I just want to talk about, I don't know if you guys watched my one of my last videos. It was on the Conversion Pros. Okay, so these are capture pages that are from the Conversion Pros, and these are free social media courses that you can take to learn how to market better on social media if that is how you're going to market your business. So if you plan on marketing your business on social media, these courses will help you learn how to do that. They will teach you how to do that. So you're wondering how you can get paid to give away free social media courses. Well, basically how you do that is you become a member of the Conversion Pros, which is free for 14 days. You can do the trial offer for 14 days, 2 weeks, and you can set up your account for free. You don't have to pay anything, okay? You can set up your account. You can go through all the training that's provided, everything. And once you get all that done, you can create these capture pages are already done for you. You just have to change a few things on here, but they're already completed for you. These are capture pages. You don't even have to really, you could change them and add your information. And then when somebody opts in, you can also add, if you want them to also not only check out the free courses, but learn how they can make money with the Conversion Pros by giving away these same courses. You can also add a link to the free trial offer so they can go ahead and take the free trial and become a member for free. And if they decide they want to keep the Conversion Pros, once they pay into it, they pay their $50. It's $50 a month. Once they pay $50 into it, you get $25 out of that $50 that they pay into it. So it's not really not hard to market this opportunity. I've gotten tons and tons of leads with these capture pages, you guys. The most one that I've gotten leads from, Instagram is what people really opt into because they really like Instagram. Okay, so I'm really getting a lot of leads from Instagram. Instagram's really taking off for me right now. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, what you would first do is go through the free 14-day trial offer. You can also pay it. You can go ahead and pay for it up front if you want to just pay the $50 up front and get started right away. You can do that as well. And I will leave the information in the description below for you to do that, okay? So what you'll do is create an account. It's free to do that for 14 days. You get 2 weeks free. You create all you set up the Conversion Pros. You set it all up first. Then you go and you start creating your capture pages. Now, these are already done for you. All you have to do is find them and drag and drop and change a few things and then start marketing it. And once you get leads, you can then send them to the free trial offer. And if they take the free trial offer and they convert to a paid member, you get paid $25 of that. If you get 2 people to join the Conversion Pros with you, that's your $50 that you just made back, and your membership's free because you just basically 2 people would pay for your Conversion Pros membership. So these are just a couple of the courses that you can give away for free. There's probably plenty of more, but these are the ones that I personally give away. And these have gotten me leads in the Conversion Pros. And people have converted to trial members as well, just from, but I have it set up. We have it set up a certain way. It's set up a certain way. So when they do opt in, they could do the training. And then if they want to learn how they can make money with the Conversion Pros, they can also learn how to do that as well. So these are the capture pages that you can give away for free. But remember, the Conversion Pros training teaches you how to do all this. It also teaches you how to link, the trial offer. It shows you how to link if they just want to become a paid member. It shows you how to link all that. Okay, so this is how you get leads. When people opt in, this goes to your back office, on your Conversion Pros back office. You get their information, you get their full name, their email, and even a phone number. So you can either email your leads and have a conversation with them, have your autoresponder email them, or you can call them and talk to them over the phone about if they wanted to, if they're interested in joining the Conversion Pros or not. So you can give away these are free, okay? These don't cost anything to give away. You can give these away as a free trial member on the Conversion Pros. So if you're a free trial member, you can give these away. You can set up your system for free for 14 days, for 2 weeks, and you don't have to enter any. And another thing, you guys, how cool would it be to be able to make money as a free member on the Conversion Pros? There's people who have taken a 14-day trial with the Conversion Pros, and they got their first sign up within a week or two. There's people that have done that. They've done it just on the trial alone, and they didn't pay anything into it. They were free members, and they made money with the Conversion Pros within the first 2 weeks or first week. You can do the same. It's not hard to do. Okay? This is not hard. These are social media sites that people do need to learn how to market on before they can market on these. Now, the big one that I am learning on, I'm getting a little bit better on Instagram. I've already watched all the trainings for these as well. The master classes, I've already watched every single one of these. So they're really good. They're very, very good. Like I said, my favorite one is Instagram because that's what I really needed to work on. And I think I'm doing a lot better with Instagram. Also, if you guys want to connect with me on Instagram or Facebook, I will leave the links to my social media, to Facebook and Instagram, in the description below as well. So, like I said, you guys, these capture pages, look at these. These are eye-catching. These pop out. These are really attractive capture pages. And sorry about that. And you really want to create capture pages that capture people's attention. And the Conversion Pros has a very large amount of attractive capture pages, you guys. I can tell you that right now. They really do. Their capture pages are amazing. And I know this because there is a Conversion Pros YouTube channel that you can go to, and the creator of the Conversion Pros walks you step by step on how to set up a capture page. Like he was, so you can watch those videos as well. It's the Conversion Pros. It's on, you just type in the Conversion Pros on YouTube, and you can go and subscribe to that channel, and it has tons of videos about the Conversion Pros alone. So I just figured I'd bring this to you because I know you guys are interested. A lot of you have been opting into my these capture pages that I've been, leaving below. These are the free gifts I was referring to. So basically, Instagram is the one that a lot of people have been opting into. And I just wanted to bring you this video because this is how I'm getting leads. And you can use these leads for any business. You don't have to use them for the Conversion Pros. Okay, you can use the Conversion Pros for any business. You can create capture pages for weight loss. You can create capture pages for anything you want to. Okay, so I'm just letting you know that you don't have to necessarily use these. With the Conversion Pros, it allows you to create your own capture page. And it allows you to change the wording around and make it your own. And it's 100% complete done for your system. It has a built-in autoresponder. You can purchase leads if you want to. Those leads are high converting leads. You can call them over the phone. These are people who've already opted in. They're ready to buy. Now, don't get me wrong. You won't get leads from every single one of them, but you will get a couple of. You will get a couple. So I want you guys to know that I'm not an expert. I just know how to market because based on the research I've done and my experience. So I'll leave the link to the free gifts below, and also, after you guys are done watching the courses, you can go ahead and check out how you can make money with the Conversion Pros as well. So like this video, share it, subscribe, tap the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. Hope to see you guys on the inside. Take care.